Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can add camera watermark in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to the camera and here go to the settings icon of camera, and here you will see watermark option. Just click it, and here you have four options: model name, date and time, current location, and customize. Okay, so model name means Vivo something will be will appear in the photo that you capture. Okay, see here, I capture it and open it, and I see it in the bottom left side here. Vivo Y100 is printed. Okay, this is the model. Okay, model watermark. Okay, then other option is available. You can customize yourself for the watermark how it should appear. Go to the settings again, and here click on watermark and click on customize, and here you can type any name as a watermark. Here I type Mingy. So you can include your own name or your friend name or your child name or your business name, whatever you want to display. Just write it here, and that will be displayed as a watermark for your photos that you are capturing using your phone. Okay, click on save finally. Okay, if you don't want to model name, just turn off, and only customized, that is this Mickey Mingy will be displayed. Whatever you include, that will be displayed. Okay, see here, I take one photo using this, and open the picture that I took. See in the bottom left side, Mingy is only available. Okay, that model is not available. Vivo Y100 is not available. According to your wish, now watermark is printed. Okay, also if you want to display date and time, suppose if you want to display on which date and time the photo is taken, if you want to really have it, yes, you can set it. For that, just again go to the settings icon of the camera here and go to watermark and click on date and time. So date and time, and also the customized text will be printed in the photo that you captured through your camera. Now see what will happen. I take this photo and open the photo that I took. See in the bottom left side, along with Mickey Mingy, April 5, 2023, 10:21 a.m. is displayed. Date and time also displayed. So in this way, you can easily customize. You can do customized watermark for your photos, capturing through camera of your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.